we add a design section. First, create a profile. There are two ways to generate a profile. Click Create Directly, draw a profile vector line along the center line of the road, and double-click the end. Second, you can use the point selection function and select any existing vector line as a longitudinal section line. Vector lines can use map elements or vector editing inside the line map-related functions to draw any line layer. According to the currently generated setting profile, you can generate design sections in manual and automatic ways. First, we used manual work to set the width of the left and right sides of the road surface, as needed, and then clicked on the section line of the current profile to generate the cross-section. In manual mode, click where you need to set the cross-section line. Automatically generate section lines can generate section lines in batches according to the requirements. Click Automatic, set the left and right section line width, and you can set the cross-section line interval by step length, node, and node. Here, according to the step size setting, for every 20-meter interval, click OK. You can see a cross-section generated every 20 meters, a total of 8 generated.